AA675-434. Hey, Jesse, what's up?
Annie, dinner.
Oh, terrific. Hold on 1 second. I need 2 sets of gaskets for that, too, so don't forget. Bring them in first thing in the morning. All right, thanks.
Oh, neat car. Check it out.
You like that car?
Oh, yeah.
It's a classic. It was the love of my life. I spent 1.5 years putting that baby together, getting it in primo condition. And then I had to sell it.
Why?
Well, the simple reason that you can't have more than one love in your life.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You and Annie ever fight?
Yeah, we schedule one every other month or so. Why?
Just asking. Oh, what's this?
That's a picture of me and my mother. A long time ago. About your age there.
So where's she now?
Well, she died about 2 years ago.
Yeah, well, my mom's coming to get me one of these days.
She is.
Not too long from now.
Well, that's funny. That's not what they said.
You don't believe me, do you?
It's not that. I just was under the impression that...
I don't care what those people said. Those people don't know anything.
Okay.
My mom has some things to take care of, and when she's done, she's coming back for me.
Jesse!